Eclipse solar gear, portable power for your lifestyle. They've got some pretty cool products we're going to talk about. The technology manager with Eclipse solar gear is Ben Gray. Ben, welcome into tomorrow. How you doing, sir?
Pretty good, Dave. Thanks for having me here.
It's a pleasure to have you with us. What products are you showing here at CES? And then we'll get into already award-winning products from last year that are about to make the market.
We are showing all of our products that we have in our current catalog, in our 2008 catalog. Solar-powered backpacks, messenger bags, camera bags, bike bags, some specialty items that we've designed for the military.
Oh, good.
And the one product that you were talking about is a laptop case that will charge a laptop. And this is what won that was an honoree at the 2007 Innovations and Design Award.
And that'll be out a little later this year?
That will be out about mid-year. It's going to manufacture in April or May.
Wow. That's going to make a difference in the industry, no doubt about it. But now, does that mean you have to leave your laptop in a window or out in the front lawn?
The idea is that it's going to extend your laptop battery charge by a certain amount of time. Mm-hmm. This case is really being designed for outdoor use, field use, military use, deployment, and where there's no electricity. That's where it's really going to shine.
Gotcha. And it sounds like obviously being well built to handle that kind of rugged abuse.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Terrific. And among other things, you talk about backpack solar power. Why does one need to solar power their backpack?
Well, everyone carries a mobile device, some phone, MP3 player.
Many of us, half a dozen of them.
Exactly. And you carry a backpack or a messenger bag or something. So why not marry those two technologies together and have a backpack that is going to help charge? It really comes in handy when you're out in the field, you're on the beach, you're out walking in Vegas here, up and down the Strip. I've used it a lot there. Not this time. I haven't been walking out there.
None of us have been able to leave the show floor for 4 days.
They won't let me leave.
Yes, exactly.
But in cases like that where you're talking on the phone, it's going to help keep that thing charged. I fly kites as a hobby. We keep a whole bunch of these out in the field, and it keeps our team radios, our cell phone, my kids' MP3 players all charged up. So
now, imagine charging with a kite. I can see how that could prove interesting.
We're playing with that right now, just for fun.
Yeah, just for fun because you can. Why
well,
not, right?
it's a little heavy, and you got to be careful about weight. But
yeah, true.
It's fun.
But now, do you guys design these products from scratch? I mean, are these, you got engineers that are sitting there thinking, what else can we actually make solar powered because we're out and about? Like baseball cap or something that has a little wire running to something else?
My brother, Randy Gray, is the engineer, the president, the inventor, and the holder of the patent for this technology. He couldn't be here today, but he's the one that is designing these backpacks from the ground up.
Is he out flying kites or something? Or?
No, he's back in the hotel with pneumonia.
Oh, gee. Yeah. Don't you hate when that happens?
Oh, boy.
Yikes, we're worried about the desert air affecting our throats and otherwise. That sure beats having pneumonia, so we wish him well. What do you got? Who are you guys targeting these products to then? Are we talking general consumers? Are you talking hikers in general, or what's the market for you?
Primarily, we're targeting everybody because everybody does carry some sort of portable device.
And at some point, we're allowed outside, so
absolutely.
we'll have access to the sun.
Absolutely.
Now, will these work with even indoor lights or fluorescents? I mean, do you get a little trickle of a charge at least, or is it really you got to be outside?
If you're using just a solar panel, no. You've got to be outside. Indoor lighting is just not enough power to kick off any charging circuits. Now, if a lot of what we do is we're expanding that technology, so we've got power packs that go in between the solar panel and the device so that you charge the power pack. It's basically a battery. And this is the way that home solar power has done it, and industrial solar power does it anyway. They charge banks of batteries, and then you use the power that's on the battery.
Sure. Oh,
so we're doing that on a smaller scale.
And give us an idea of how much these cost then, like a backpack or some of the common products that are available and that you see more and more consumers taking advantage of.
The original product, the solar backpack, goes for $129, and that's been about the street price that everybody sells them at. The power packs, they retail $59, and you know how retail works, 10, 20%, whatever.
Sure, but it's a nice ballpark to give us an idea. I'll bet there's more info at your website at eclipsesolargear.com. graveline.com.
Absolutely.
Of course, we'll have that link on our site with all of our guests from CES and other things that we're mentioning here and award winners and whatnot. Visit eclipsesolargear.com and swing by graveline.com or intotomorrow.com if you prefer. Ben Gray, Technology Manager with Eclipse Solar Gear. Keep doing cool products. We're loving it.
Thank you.
Our pleasure. Back with more from Las Vegas. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.